And welcome to all of you. I am Assistant Professor Sabra Yuvraj Rauchi, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Ramanand Nagar, Burli, Dist, Sunday. So today discuss about first chapter of basic concept in industrial chemistry. Basic concept in industrial chemistry. So previous lecture of discuss about molecular weight of molarity of mixed solution, basicity of acid, acidity of base. So today topic is basicity of acid. Basicity of acid. Basicity of acid. It is the defined as the number of H plus ions released when 1 mole of acid is dissociated dissolved in solution. If the acid gives only one H plus ion after dissociation of 1 mole, it is called monobasic acid. If it gives 2H plus ion, it is called dibasic acid, and so on. For example, consider the ionization reaction. It is the basicity of acid means number of H plus ions released. Number of H plus ion release when 1 mole of acid is dissociate in solution. Dissociate is dissolving 1 mole of solution. Suppose, for example, HCl is 1 mole of HCl. This dissociate one of HCl, the one hydrogen it dissociates of Cl. This HCl is dissociate H plus Cl. Okay, this HCl is present is one HCl is present, one hydrogen present in HCl. The basicity is 1. That defines the H plus ion release when 1 mole of acid dissociated in solution. So this HCl dissociate 1H plus 1H plus plus Cl minus. So basicity is 1. The HCl, total number of hydrogen present in HCl, one hydrogen present in HCl. The basicity is 1. So H2SO4, H2SO4. This H2SO4 is 2 basicity. How many calculate the H2SO4 2 basicity? The H2SO4 present in 2 hydrogen. H2SO4 present in 2 hydrogen. This 2 hydrogen is 2 basicity. This 2 H plus SO4 2 ions. This ions is negative charge. The basicity is equal to 2. This H2SO4 2 basicity. Okay. Third, H3PO4. H3PO4. Dissociate 1 mole of this solution, 3H plus PO4 3 ions. So basicity is 3. How many calculate the basicity is? The H3PO4 dissociate in 3H plus PO4 3 ions, basicity of this 3. This 3H plus PO4, this dissociation 1 mole of this solution and dissociation of this H3PO4. This undissociation H3PO4 and dissociation H3 PO4. This, for example, HCl. This HCl, one HCl is 1 basicity, H2SO4 is 2 basicity, H3PO4 is 3 basicity. This H, count by this H is 1 HCl, H2SO4, count by this 2 H hydrogen means 2 basicity. The HCl is monobasic acid. HCl is monobasic acid. This HCl is present in release of this 1 H plus ion. 1 H plus ions release. Awesome. So basicity is HCl is 1. The acid monobasic acid. H2SO4 is dibasic acid and phosphoric acid is tribasic acid. The tribasic acid is H3PO4. Dibasic acid is H2SO4. Monobasic is HCl. Okay. The basicity of acid, molecular weight of equivalent weight. The basicity of acid is equal to molecular weight upon equivalent weight. How many calculate the basicity of acid? The substance is molecular weight of equivalent weight. Next topic, part per million. Part per million. It is the number of part of solute per million. 10 raised to 6 part of the solution and given by part per million. Part per million. It is the number of part of per million. The solution and given by this part per million. The mass of solute, total mass of the solution into 10 raised to 6. This ppm is, it is the number of part per solution million, 10 raised to 6. This mass of solute, number of this part per solution, and total mass of this solution, the solution and mass of the solution is equal to 10 raised to 6. For example, 3 ppm 3 ppm Cl2 in water means 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram of Cl2 in liter drinking water, in liter in drinking water. For example, Cl2 in water means 3 into 10 raised to 3 upon 1000 is equal to 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to 3 ppm. The part of million, the mass of solute, total mass of this solution, the number of parts solved per million, 10 raised to 6. Next, next topic. Part per billion. It is the number of part of solute per billion. 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 9. The part of solution I am given by this mass of solute, total mass of solution into 10 raised to 9 part per million. That is the number of part of solute per billion. It is the part of the solution per billion. It is the part of the billion per solution. Next, it is the number of part of part per billion 10 raised to minus 10 raised to 9 part of the solution and given by the mass of solute, total mass of the solution. Next, thank you.